Stop starting your day with soggy cereal or those bland, boring breakfast bars that taste like cardboard. Listen up, you donkey. It's time to ditch those pathetic excuses for breakfast and fuel your body with the protein it needs to build muscle and dominate your day. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 high-protein breakfasts that will not only kickstart your day, but also support your fitness goals. We're talking about meals that would make even the most demanding Michelin star chef proud. Get ready for a culinary journey that will transform your mornings and leave you feeling like a champion. And listen, if you find this video even remotely helpful, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button like you're tenderizing a steak. Share this video with your friends who are still stuck eating those pathetic breakfasts, and let's revolutionize breakfast together. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more high-protein breakfast ideas. All right, you lot, let's kick things off with a plant-based protein that's got some potential, but needs a firm hand to bring it up to par. At number 7, we've got the tofu scramble. Now, before you turn your noses up, this isn't some hippy-dippy mess. We're talking about crumbled, firm tofu, cooked until it's golden brown and crispy, just like a proper scramble. We're adding a splash of colour and a punch of flavour with vibrant vegetables. Think bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, earthy spinach and sharp onions. And for that classic yellow hue, a touch of turmeric. Don't be shy with the seasoning either. A pinch of salt and pepper can work wonders. This dish is a decent option for vegans and vegetarians who are struggling to find a protein-packed breakfast. It's got its heart in the right place, offering a good dose of vitamins and minerals to kickstart your day. But let's be honest, it's not going to win any Michelin stars anytime soon. The tofu, while a decent source of protein, lacks the same punch as some of the other contenders on this list. We've got 6 more contenders to go, and trust me, they only get bigger, bolder, and more delicious from here. All right, you healthy bunch, let's talk about a breakfast bowl that's got everyone buzzing. The quinoa breakfast bowl. Now, quinoa, it's got a good rep for being a complete protein, boasting all 9 essential amino acids. Imagine this, a warm, fluffy bed of quinoa cooked to perfection. Then, we hit it with a symphony of textures and flavors. Fresh berries bursting with sweetness, crunchy nuts adding a satisfying bite, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for that touch of indulgence. This bowl is a decent shout for those who like their breakfasts on the lighter side. It's packed with fiber, keeping you fuller for longer, and the combination of sweet and savory elements makes for a pretty enjoyable experience. But let's be real. While the quinoa breakfast bowl deserves a pat on the back for effort, it's not exactly a heavyweight contender in the protein department. It's like comparing a featherweight boxer to a heavyweight champion. They're both in the ring, but only one is packing a serious punch. If you're aiming to build muscle and power through your workouts, you're going to need something a bit more substantial. We've got 5 more contenders to go, and trust me, things are about to get a whole lot more interesting. All right, you sophisticated foodies, let's talk about a breakfast that screams elegance and refinement. Smoked salmon on whole grain toast. Imagine this, a slice of hearty, toasted whole grain bread slathered with a generous dollop of creamy, tangy cream cheese. Then we drape it with delicate slices of smoky, melt-in-your-mouth smoked salmon. And for that final touch of indulgence, a sprinkle of salty capers and a sprig of fresh dill. Smoked salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like rocket fuel for your brain and body. And the whole grain toast provides a slow-burning source of energy that will keep you going all morning long. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While this dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, it's not exactly a protein powerhouse. It's like comparing a delicate soufflé to a hearty steak and ale pie. Both delicious in their own right, but only one is going to satisfy a real hunger. If you're after a light and sophisticated breakfast that will impress your brunch guests, then smoked salmon on whole grain toast is a solid choice. We've still got 4 more contenders on our list, and trust me, things are about to get a whole lot more exciting. Let's talk about a breakfast that's often overlooked, the cottage cheese bowl. Now, I know what you're thinking, cottage cheese? That's for grannies, right? Wrong! Imagine this, creamy cottage cheese piled high with fresh fruits. Add a bit of crunch with nuts and seeds. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. A protein lover's dream, keeping you full for hours. Let's talk about a breakfast that's guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth and fuel your muscles. Protein pancakes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pancakes for breakfast? Isn't that a bit indulgent? Listen, when it comes to building a physique that would make Michelangelo weep, we don't shy away from a little indulgence. These aren't your average sugar-laden pancakes that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. We're talking about a protein-packed stack of fluffy goodness that will power you through even the toughest workouts. Imagine this, a plate piled high with golden brown pancakes, each bite bursting with the flavors of vanilla and cinnamon. And the best part? These bad boys are packed with protein from protein powder, eggs, and even a sneaky scoop of oats. We're going all out with a mountain of toppings. Think fresh berries bursting with antioxidants, a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra protein punch, or a drizzle of sugar-free syrup for that touch of sweetness. This breakfast is a perfect blend of indulgence and nutrition, satisfying your cravings while providing your body with the building blocks it needs to recover and grow. But let's be honest, while protein pancakes are a delicious and satisfying way to start your day, they are not quite at the top of the protein pyramid. We've got two more contenders that are in a league of their own. Stay tuned. We're down to the final two, and the competition is fierce. At number 2, we've got a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious, the Greek yogurt parfait. This isn't some flimsy dessert masquerading as a proper meal. We're talking about a protein-packed powerhouse that will fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. Imagine this, a tall glass layered with creamy, tangy Greek yogurt, bursting with probiotics and protein. Then we hit it with a symphony of textures and flavors. Crunchy granola for a satisfying bite, sweet and juicy berries for a burst of antioxidants, and a drizzle of honey for that touch of natural sweetness. This parfait is a nutritional powerhouse, providing a perfect balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. But let's be honest, while the Greek yogurt parfait is a strong contender, it's not quite the champion of our protein-packed breakfast showdown. It's like comparing a head chef to a Michelin star chef, both incredibly talented, but one has that extra something special. We've got one more contender that reigns supreme. Get ready to discover the ultimate high-protein breakfast that will transform your mornings and fuel your fitness journey like never before. The moment you've all been waiting for. The champion of our high-protein breakfast showdown, the undefeated, the undisputed king of the ring, the egg white omelette. Some of you might be thinking, an omelette? That's boring. You listen to me, you donkey. The egg white omelette is a blank canvas, a culinary masterpiece waiting to happen. It's all about what you put into it, and trust me, we're going all out. We're talking about fluffy, perfectly cooked egg whites loaded with a mountain of fresh, vibrant vegetables. Think sautéed spinach for a boost of iron, diced tomatoes for a burst of freshness, and sliced mushrooms for that earthy depth of flavor. And don't even get me started on the cheese. A sprinkle of sharp cheddar, a crumble of tangy feta, or a dollop of creamy goat cheese. The possibilities are endless. This omelette is a protein powerhouse, providing your body with the essential amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. It's like the personal trainer of breakfasts, pushing you to your limits and helping you achieve your fitness goals. The egg white omelette isn't just about protein, it's about flavor, versatility, and satisfaction. So there you have it, folks, the egg white omelette, the undisputed champion of our high-protein breakfast showdown. It's time to ditch those sugary cereals and embrace the power of protein. So there you have it, you bunch of hungry devils. We've explored the top 7 high-protein breakfasts to build muscle, from tofu scramble to quinoa breakfast bowl, smoked salmon on whole grain toast, cottage cheese bowl, protein pancakes, Greek yogurt parfait, and egg white omelette, packed with protein to power your day. Now get in the kitchen and start experimenting. Try all 7 and find your favorites. Add your personal touches and have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy breakfast recipes. Embrace the power of protein to unlock your full potential.